What's something you'll never leave the house without?
Probably my phone.
Oh my gosh, yeah. I think the one thing that I make sure that I always have is my phone first.
Definitely my phone.
I would be a couple blocks down the road and have to go back to the house to get my phone.
Your cell phone has everything on it, but are you really using your phone to its full potential? For example, if you have a hard time getting up in the morning, you can put your phone in a large glass cup next to your bed for a loud awakening. Check out the difference. And have you set up your emergency SOS on your iPhone or Android? This allows your phone to call for help and alert your emergency contacts of your location by pressing the power button 5 times. You can even retrieve deleted photos by tapping Library in your Photos section on Android and tapping Trash. Then hold your finger on the photo you want to recover and select Restore. On iPhone, tap Albums. In Photos, then scroll down to Recently Deleted. Select the photo you want to restore and select Recover.
Starting route to Wawa.
And since GPS is one of the biggest drains on your battery, you can screenshot directions to save battery, pointing you in the right direction and the best ways to use your smartphone. I'm Nancy Alvarez reporting.